Assalamu alaikum, our dear guests of honor, the invited guests, parents, the school administrators, teachers, and our beloved former students, friends, brothers and sisters, who are the reason as to why we are gathered here tonight. One thing I'm sure of is that we would not be here right now if there wasn't anything worth to celebrate. It is this celebration that inspired me and gave me a reason to strongly believe that I'm in the right place. A place that can nurture me to become that person I want to become. What do I want to become then? I remember when I was young, my grandmother used to tell me about how Somalia was an amazing country. But when I grew up, those things became a myth for me. But is this the Somali we want? There are many children in Somalia with big dreams in their eyes today. But because of the unending insecurity, many children cannot completely fulfill their dreams because of early marriage, child labor, and some parents' ignorance of the importance of education. Any child, regardless, should have a chance for education. In Somalia today, many children like me do not go to school because of the poverty and other related factors that the parents have. I strongly believe that Somalia can become that amazing country that once my grandmother told me about. The reality is that living in Somalia as a girl child is never easy. Girls face a lot of challenge in the community. You can imagine how bad it feels when your brother is being taken to school and for you as a girl left behind. I have a dream tonight that one day Somalia will become the best country in Africa. I have a dream that there will be a day where all Somali girls and boys will be going to school and also respected. I have a dream that one day Somalia will be a country where people run to but not running away from. As Somali girls, we have a dream called the Somali dream. I and many girls here today strongly believe our Somali dream will one day become true. I am that girl who will pursue her dreams to change the world, to make it a better place for everyone. Standing before you is a young girl with big dreams called Najma Bashir. Thank you for listening to me. May the place